Unveiling the latest drone innovations, from delivery to surveillance. Drones, once considered futuristic gadgets, have now become an integral part of our society, revolutionizing various industries and expanding the possibilities of aerial technology. From aerial photography to package delivery, drones have proven their potential in numerous applications. In this article, we will explore the latest drone innovations, focusing on their applications in delivery services and surveillance. Drone delivery services. Drone delivery is rapidly emerging as an efficient and cost-effective solution for transporting goods. Major companies like Amazon and UPS are already testing drone delivery systems, aiming to revolutionize the logistics industry. Drones equipped with advanced navigation systems and obstacle avoidance technology can autonomously navigate their way to designated locations, delivering packages quickly and efficiently. This innovation has the potential to reduce delivery times, lower costs, and improve accessibility, especially in remote or congested areas. Agricultural and environmental applications. Drones are transforming the agricultural industry by providing farmers with valuable insights and enhancing crop management. Equipped with sensors and cameras, agricultural drones can monitor crops, identify areas of stress, and optimize irrigation and fertilization. They can also help in the early detection of pests, diseases, and other potential threats to crop health. Additionally, drones can be used for environmental monitoring, such as tracking deforestation, monitoring wildlife populations, and assessing pollution levels in hard-to-reach areas. Infrastructure inspection and maintenance. Traditional methods of inspecting infrastructure, such as bridges, power lines, and pipelines, often involve significant time, cost, and risk. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging capabilities can efficiently inspect infrastructure, identifying potential issues and reducing the need for manual inspections. This not only saves time and resources but also improves safety by minimizing the need for human workers in hazardous environments. Search and rescue operations. Drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras and rescue equipment are proving to be invaluable tools in search and rescue operations. They can quickly cover large areas, aiding in locating missing persons or survivors in emergency situations. Drones can also provide real-time video feeds and relay crucial information to rescue teams on the ground, enabling faster response times and more efficient operations. Surveillance and security. Drones are increasingly being used for surveillance and security purposes both in public and private sectors. Law enforcement agencies utilize drones for crime scene investigations, crowd monitoring, and traffic control. Private security firms employ drones for perimeter surveillance, asset protection, and event security. With advanced camera systems and facial recognition technology, drones can enhance situational awareness and provide valuable data for crime prevention and public safety. Film and photography. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras have revolutionized the film and photography industry, providing unique perspectives and breathtaking aerial shots. They offer filmmakers and photographers the ability to capture stunning visuals that were previously only possible with helicopters or cranes, but at a fraction of the cost. Drones have opened up new creative possibilities, allowing for innovative storytelling and immersive visuals. Public safety and emergency response. Drones play a crucial role in public safety and emergency response scenarios. They can assess disaster areas, monitor wildfires, and provide real-time situational awareness to emergency responders. Drones equipped with loudspeakers and thermal cameras can aid in crowd management during large-scale events or protests. The ability to quickly deploy drones in emergency situations provides critical support and enhances the effectiveness of emergency response teams. The latest drone innovations have unlocked a world of possibilities, revolutionizing industries and expanding the capabilities of aerial technology. From drone delivery services to surveillance and security applications, drones are transforming the way we live, work, and respond to various challenges. With ongoing advancements in drone technology, we can expect even more exciting developments in the future. However, as drone usage expands, it is important to address privacy, safety, and regulatory concerns to ensure responsible and ethical drone operations. With careful consideration and responsible usage, drones have the potential to make a significant positive impact across diverse sectors, improving efficiency, safety, and accessibility in our rapidly evolving world. Ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe to our channel and share the video.